Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Nibiru channel. Today I want to discuss with you Nibiru's arrival and the possible pole shift. This is actually not a possibility. This in fact will definitely happen. The map you're looking at now and the map that is coming up are renditions of what the United States will look like after tsunamis and tidal waves hit all of our coastal land. These maps have been in circulation for quite some time through the United States Naval Intelligence and prominent Edgar Cayce. Edgar Cayce was a foreseer, a psychic in a sense. He wrote out and depicted the earth in his own drawings of what it would look like after this cataclysmic event. The map you're looking at now will be the remnants of South America. And as you can see, tidal surges of water will infiltrate that continent. Moving on to Europe, well, let's just say Europe will cease to exist. There will be very little land mass left available. Moving on into Russia and China. Now, Russia will not have that much tidal surge or damage. However, all of the coastal regions of China and Asia will definitely suffer damage. We've already been undergoing some very severe changes in our weather patterns. That is an absolute fact. Our jet stream has also changed significantly over the past 4 years. That is also a fact. The Earth is already tilting. That is why we are undergoing such changes in our weather. And all of this is due to the approaching Nibiru planetary system. This is possibly what the Earth will look like after a pole shift. The equator may run directly through the middle of the United States once it is tilted. We will undergo massive tidal waves that will destroy every coastal community in the entire world. There is absolutely no doubt the devastation will come quickly and tens of millions of people will die instantly. This is also a fact. Other cataclysmic events will occur, and we will not be able to stop them. These tidal waves will surge inward and destroy all metropolitan cities along the United States and every country abroad. These tidal waves will be 300, maybe 500 feet high, and they will last for days. The Earth will stop rotating temporarily. On top of the tidal waves, we're also going to suffer very, very severe earthquakes. These earthquakes will be at a magnitude 10, possibly 11 and 12, and they will go on for days. The catastrophic destruction will be immense. Roads will be impassable. That is all a fact. Buildings will just crumble. They will fall to the ground. Seeking a safe place to ride out all of these cataclysmic events is almost impossible. The earthquakes have already started in very, very fast frequency around the world. That is also a fact. Volcanic activity around the world has been increasing over the past several years. Once the volcanoes start to erupt because of all of the pressure being placed on the tectonic plates, we will suffer from the volcanic ash circulating around the Earth. That is also a very severe fact. It will block out the sun for possibly a few months. And last but not least will be the meteor crisis. When we travel through the tail of Nibiru, we will probably see approximately 4, maybe 5 days of nonstop meteor events crashing into the earth, some of them the size of automobiles. The end is near, but it doesn't have to be the end. You have to prepare. There is definitely a chance for survival, and mankind will go on. This time is your time for survival. Make sure you share all of our videos with all of your friends and family on Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe to our Nibiru channel, and keep your eyes in the skies. Thanks for watching. Buddy, here we are, August 1st, 2016, and once again out here filming what is possibly Nibiru directly underneath the sun at approximately 6:35 p.m. and it's in the same identical position as it was yesterday, and the skies are crystal clear. I'm going to go ahead and pan over a little bit for you. Just a few little minor clouds in the sky. However, there she is. Same spot. Now the planet actually looks like it is a little more towards the 7 o'clock position than it was yesterday. Yesterday, whenever I videotaped it, it was pretty close to about the same time, about 6:30 p.m. and it was directly at the 6 o'clock position underneath the sun. I'm going to go ahead and just pan back a little bit for you. And you could see it. It's clear as a bell. And the sun has a very, very unusual bright white color to it. The sun is no longer orange like it used to be when I was a kid. It just seems like the sunlight is so more intense. It's just an instant burning on your skin. But as you can see, I pan away and the rays of the sun kind of deplete the image of the planet. Now, one of the reasons why we cannot see the planet with our naked eye is because the human eye does not see in infrared. Your cell phone camera, which I'm using, an LG Stylo smartphone, or cameras, video cameras, they're able to see in the infrared spectrum. And that's why we are so easily able to capture the planet directly underneath the sun. I don't know, folks. It's getting pretty close to that time. I think maybe we possibly have 90 days, maybe 4 months. I don't know. The government's not saying anything. NASA scientists and astronomers are not saying anything. Everything is hush-hush. Although NASA did just come out in the news media today about an asteroid that we may have problems with in the year 2023. Which we're really not interested in that right now, because we've got this planetoid monster aka the destroyer, Wormwood Nibiru, knocking on our back door. And if you have not started to plan, you better start. It's probably going to take you about 90 days to find yourself some pretty heavy-duty shelter, canned food, cases of bottled water. I would definitely have a way of protecting yourself. You know, hunting rifle, handgun, plenty of ammunition, some batteries, things of that nature. You know, kind of like you're going on a hunting trip. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. And please stay tuned for daily updates. Once again, this is the 1st of August, 2016 at approximately 6:30 p.m. And I am about 25 miles south of the city of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So once again, folks, start preparing. This planet looks like it's getting larger and larger by the day. Take care.